What's up my Shoogies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have another amazing unboxing for you. And it is the new Yeezys that just dropped in the sage green color. So if you were interested in seeing this unboxing, then just keep watching. Okay, so before we get into the unboxing, I just wanted to let you guys know, please don't forget to comment down below on any other videos you guys want to see. I'm going to be filming a ton in the next few days, so I want to get as much content out as possible that you guys, of course, are interested in. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of these amazing shoes. And I literally just got these 5 minutes ago at the door. I've been waiting so long for them. I actually ordered two because, as you know, when they drop on Saturday mornings, you can get them on the Adidas app or website if you register for the raffle. And I happened to win the raffle, but you don't know that until Saturday afternoon. So from 7 a.m. when they drop till the afternoon is several hours. So I figured, you know what, just in case I don't win the raffle, because I haven't many times in the past, let's go ahead and try to get on these different websites to get these shoes. I have tried Dick's, the website crashed. I literally got them in my cart. It said, you're on your way to your checkout, put in all my information. Okay, we're completing your checkout. Round. It went for hours. I literally did not leave my computer for hours because this thing played me. It froze and it never refreshed. So Dick's, trash. Then I went to Champs, waited in the queue, never got in. Finish Line, waited in the queue, finally got in as I was in the checkout for Dick's. So I'm like, oh, I don't know if I should check out. Going to check out with Dick's. I might still win the raffle. I don't want to have 3 pairs of shoes. I was like, you know what? Forget it. I'm just going to get in. Got them. Bam. Done. So for me, Finish Line was the winner. Also, Foot Locker, waited in the queue forever. East Bay, trash. USA Kicks, biggest trash. Literally, you wait to get into queue. The queue finally opens. The stopwatch comes up. Everyone's cart is busy, empty, full, whatever. I don't have time for that. So I made it. I got mine. Don't waste your time on some of these websites. My number one would be Finish Line, or go on the Adidas app and enter to win the raffle. My husband also won the raffle because he's the luckiest man alive, but we won't get into how many pairs he ordered. He's in trouble. Anyways, I digress. So Finish Line and the Adidas raffle were the biggest hits for me. I'm so happy that I was fortunate enough to get 2. I got 1 in a 7 and 1 in a 7.5. So whichever one fits, I'm keeping, and the other I will sell on the StockX website. So I'm dying to open this. I can't wait to see these in person. I've seen them on the rendering and they look okay, but nothing is as good as when you see something in person. So let's go ahead and get the scissors and get this bad boy open. I'm also going to insert some shots so you can see them on the feet. You can see them in the natural daylight, see what they look like, and have your own opinion. That way, if you want to go on the website and get them, you can. And if not, at least you got to see what they look like before you put out the money. These are the ones from Adidas. The ones from Finish Line were supposed to be here Tuesday, but with all this crazy pandemonium going on, apparently they got delayed, and they're not going to now be here until Friday. So I don't know why I ordered them same time, within 5 minutes of one another, but one is here today, and then the other one won't be here until Friday. So that's a 2-day difference. I'm so excited. Oh. I scratched the top of the box. Forgive me. I was just so excited. So I don't see a receipt or anything in here. I don't know, maybe if they put it inside the box, but it doesn't matter. So this is what the box looks like, and then on the side, like I said, these are the 7.5. I'm not really sure why, but it says Desag. I kind of feel like it should say sage green, but this might be a surprising unboxing for the both of us. Now I'm scared. God, if these are the wrong shoes, I'm gonna be so mad. At least I have two. Oh, no, these are... Dun, 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 dun. Wow. These are beautiful. I was not expecting this color. Please look at how vibrant and orange that orange is. Wow, that is a gorgeous color contrast. I love that. You know what's great too is they've got this, I guess the soul color, it kind of gleams a little bit and bleeds into this green, and it's just such a nice, almost looks like a yellow color. This is a really nice, it almost looks like a sherbet-y constructed color combination. You know how sherbet colors kind of melt together? And this orange is extremely vibrant. I don't know if this, yeah, that is a good, right here, indication of how vibrant that orange is. That is beautiful. And again, just with the green and the stripe going down the side. And I wonder if this is glow in the dark. It is. Can you see how cool that looks? That's awesome. That is really something. Again, this is a size 7.5 US in men's, and I wear an 8.5 in women's. Like I said, I'm not sure whether I'm gonna keep the 7 or the 7.5, but I'm gonna try them on and see. I do like, just for something different, that this is not the see-through mesh, that it's just a clean line. It's a little bit of a lighter material, if you can see that. It's not as thick as the rest of the shoe. So it's thinner, but it's not so thin that it's mesh. And the entire sole inside is that orange color. Very, very nice looking shoe. The retail on these is the same as always, $220. And I'm ready to try these bad boys on. Woohoo! Okay, so now that we have seen these shoes up close and personal in these bright lights, let's go get a close-up look of them on the feet and just some close-up shots in the natural daylight so you can really see these vibrant colors and how well they meld together. Alright, you guys, so I have tried these on, giving you a little preview of them close up and on the feet. I think they're an extraordinary shoe. Definitely was not expecting this. They're super, super nice, muted, unique color combination that really does go well together. I also like them because even though they have a couple of different colors going on, I do feel like it is light enough and soft enough to be neutral and go with many different outfits in my closet. As far as sizing goes, they did feel a little bit smaller than the earth color. The earth was a 7.5 as well, but it definitely felt more like if I were to get a 9 in women's, where I usually wear an 8.5, whereas this feels truly like an 8.5 to me. So if you're on the border with these, I would definitely size up a little bit in them, half a size for sure, because they're a little bit more snug to me than the earth color. It does not have the pull tab, and then again with this, it's not completely see-through mesh, it's just a lighter fabric. but the laces are the same, the structure is the same, the fact that they have a different color heel and sole is the same, and very, very proud and happy to have this as a part of my collection. All right, you guys, that completes this review and unboxing of the new Yeezys in the sage green color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I mentioned earlier, drop a comment down below on any other videos you guys want to see. Like this video and subscribe to my channel and find me on my social media. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.